So we are Giao Recipe Group, and our group members are Patrick Li, Yihao Li, Yiwen Zhang, and Pengwu Yang. And this is our final EML. As you can see, there are 6 blocks, and so this is a user block. It contains all the information about the user, and so each user may create some recipes, and for each recipe, it has user ID, recipe ID, published date and description, title, and dish image, which is the final image of the dish. And for each recipe, it may contain some ingredients and also some steps. And as you can see here, for each ingredient, it has a unit, amount, and also ingredient name, and also a recipe ID, which is a foreign key associated with recipe. And and so for step, we can have a step image, which is to describe how to conduct the step, and also recipe ID, um, and so the order of the step, and also the step ID. So for each recipe, it can also have some tags, and which to indicate the categories of the recipe. So maybe you can put in something like healthy, like delicious, something like that. And so as a user, you can also comment on the recipe, and so it also has some fields like user ID, date, and content. Um, recipe ID, which is a foreign key associated with ID, and also rating. And now I would like Peng Lu to introduce the login part of our application.
As you can see, this is our application here. So if I click the sign in button on the right upper corner, and you will see the login page. So if I randomly give a username and some password, it will give me the login field message. And so what I need to do is I need to sign up first, and it asks me to give multiple information such like the user ID here. Uh, so I will like write my name as username, and a password, and the email. It also asks me to provide a profile image. So let me choose this and click register. And after that, I can use the username I just created to log in. And you can see the login button changed to the sign out. It means I successfully logged in, and also you can see my own recipes, and create a new recipe button here. And next, I wanna like even to introduce you how to create a new recipe.